everyone, this is Gokul Padmanabhan. Each week I talk to restoration owners with questions about selling their business, and I share what I have learned over the last 15 years. Today, we're going to talk about what documents we need to value your business. So often we always start with the client what we call a discovery call, where we just get to know each other. Is the initial call. Right after the call, we always recommend to our clients, hey, let's go value your business. Let's analyze the business and see where we go. So there's two things that come out of it. So your business is ready and we can go to sale, or your business is not ready yet and we got some work to do, and that's okay because then we come up with a game plan. So we get asked this question quite a lot. What documents, how do I prepare my business and the documents that I would need to get the valuation, to get the business analysis? So we always request 6 documents. You ready? Here you go. 1, 3 years of tax returns. You got to have those. 2, 3 years of financial statements, which is your profit and loss statement, as well as your balance sheet, both in cash and in accrual. It's amazing. A lot of people don't keep accrual books. We can still do the valuation, but it would hurt your valuation big time. So really important to have your financials both in cash and in accrual. We also ask for accounts receivable reports, accounts payable reports, and then here's a big one that trips up a lot of people. You got to have work in progress reports as well to get a complete maximum valuation for your business. And then the last document that we would request is an org chart. So those are the 6 documents that you would need for us to value your company. But at the same time, even if you take your business to market, almost every buyer is going to ask you the same document request. You got a question? I'm always happy to hop on a call or go to my website, www.rbasells.com. Look forward to connecting.